Connecting your Hostinger domain onto Vercel actually is quite easy. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. First of all, open up both your Vercel dashboard as well as Hostinger. Then find your domain right here and basically select the domain which you want to add onto Vercel and then copy the name on the top right. Once back on Vercel, select the project where you want to add this to, select domains on the top, click on add domain and then simply input this right here. Click on save and this will then basically give us some DNS records which we will have to add on Hostinger. Click on learn more right here, then head back to Hostinger and select DNS/name servers. First of all, make sure to reset these DNS settings if you do have some unnecessary DNS settings added. And we can now add a new DNS record. We can select the type A. The name is going to be an add, and as for the actual value, make sure to find this right here under the krausemedia.xyz settings. Select this value, basically copy it, then insert this right here and add this record. Then repeat this with a CNAME. As for the name, this is going to be www, right here. And from the value, you can also copy it from Vercel, insert it, and add this record. Now, this is basically all which you will have to do. However, please note that depending on the DNS provider, this is going to take a couple of minutes to hours to actually update successfully. In my case, as you can see, this now actually has been successfully added, and we can now use this inside our Vercel projects. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.